Tashidele. I'm Tegan, one of Norbu's students, and learning Tibetan has been an incredible journey, and having the opportunity to be one of Norbula's students and do Tibetan with Norbu, the incredible course, has been a pivotal moment in my learning Tibetan journey, both in reading and in oral and heard, so spoken and reading. It's incredible. I now have the ability, from doing the course and some lessons with Norbu as well, I'm so amazed to say that I can now read in Tibetan, which is just so amazing. And it's been under a year, so the incredible support, the depth of the lessons, the ability to ask Norbu questions has been imperative on the journey. And yeah, I can hear and understand a lot of basic Tibetan and read, and my learning journey is catapulting at a speed I actually didn't expect. And Norbu is just such an incredible, kind, patient and understanding and joyful teacher. Every lesson is incredible, and the course itself is just, every module goes into so much detail, especially as someone who speaks English as their primary language. You know, some of the tones, or, you know, learning a different script, it can be very intimidating, but Norbu makes it not just not intimidating, but also incredibly fun and interesting, and there's so much to learn. And yeah, I've never had such an incredible teacher. I'm so glad, and I cannot recommend Tibetan with Norbu course highly enough. It's incredible. There's so many resources. It's something that you can watch repetitively again and again, and I do. So yes, if you are thinking of learning Tibetan and you need a course or you need a teacher, I recommend Norbu. Tibetan with Norbu, the course is incredible, and Norbu as a teacher is incredible. So come and join the community of learning Tibetan with Norbu. You won't regret it. It's amazing.